Meaning of earbashing.
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 Earbashing. Earbashing is an informal expression that refers to the act of talking nonstop or excessively, usually about a particular topic, to the point of annoying or irritating the listener. It can also refer to a situation where someone is subjecting another person to unwanted opinions or ideas. The result of earbashing can lead to the listener feeling frustrated, bored, or even angry, and may cause damage to the relationship between the speaker and listener. Overall, earbashing is considered impolite behavior and should be avoided in social and professional situations.